Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these modified bobble stitches. So if you're using a small crochet hook, sometimes the bobble stitches don't always look super pronounced and I really like them too. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do this. I made these with a 5mm crochet hook and I used them in my Burst of Sunshine pillow and in this really pretty tube scarf. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and this is the Vantage Choice yarn in a pink. So guys, I started off with a row of half double crochets because I always like to just start with half double crochets. So I did a row of 17 half double crochets. So I'm going to turn my work to start the second row and I'm going to chain one. And into that first stitch I'm going to make just a single crochet into the next stitch. For your bobble stitch, we're going to be making that into the next stitch. So I want you guys to chain over twice, kind of like you're making a triple crochet. Insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. So we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over and just pull through the first 2 loops. So now you only have 3 loops remaining. Yarn over twice again. Insert your hook, yarn over and draw up a loop. So we have 6 loops on our hook. Just pull through the first 2 loops and that leaves us with 5 loops. Yarn over twice again, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over and draw up a loop. So we should have 8. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and we have 7 loops remaining. Yarn over twice, insert your hook one more time, yarn over and draw up a loop. So we should have 10 loops on our hook. Just pull through. It's a little hard to see here, but these 2 loops here, pull through those 2 loops. We have 9, and we're going to do this once more. So yarn over twice, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, draw up a loop, and pull through the first 2 loops. Alright, so we have 11 loops on our hook, and what I want you guys to do is yarn over and pull through all those loops on your hook. Okay, so you have just made your first bobble stitch. The right side, which is where it's going to show up, it doesn't look like much right now, but it will once we go into that next stitch and make a single crochet. So that really makes it pop. Alright, I'm going to show you guys here. Look how pretty. Okay, I want you guys to single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So we should have a total of 5 single crochet when we're done. 5. Alright, and in the next stitch, we're going to make our second bobble stitch. So I'm going to yarn over twice, like I'm making a triple crochet, and I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, and I have 4 loops on my hook. Just yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over twice again. We want to do this a total of 5 times. So we've already done this once. We're going to do this once more. Yarn over and pull through 2. Third time. Yarn over and pull through 2. Yarn over twice. This is our 4th time going into that same stitch. Yarn over and pull through 2. Alright, 5th time is the charm. Yarn over and pull through 2. So at this point, guys, we should have 11 loops on our hook. So let's just count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. So I want you to yarn over and pull through all those loops on your hook. Okay, and then into that next stitch, make that single crochet, and that finishes off your bobble. So it really pops on the other side. Okay, make a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. I only do this, you can do them like one after the other, so you can do a bobble, single crochet, bobble, single crochet, but I kind of like to space mine out a little bit. Alright, and in the next stitch, guys, we're going to bobble. So yarn over twice like you're making a triple crochet, insert your hook into that stitch, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. So I want you guys to do that 4 more times so that we have we've done that a total of 5 times. Alright, the way that you know that you've done this correctly is you guys should see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's almost like 5 half-finished stitches, and you should have 11 loops on your hook. So yarn over and pull through all 11 loops, and then to finish your bobble stitch, make a single crochet in the next stitch. And then 1 single crochet in that last stitch. Okay, so those are your bobbles, guys. They really pop out a lot more. I think they almost look a little bit more circular than regular bobble stitches. You always want to work your bobble stitches on the wrong side of your work because you always want them to pop out on the right side of your work. So for the third row, I'm not going to work any bobble stitches. Instead, I'm just going to work a row of half double crochets. So I'm just going to make a half double crochet in each stitch across the row. So into those bobble stitches and into every single crochet in that row. So by the end of this row, we should have a total of 17 half double crochets. So that by the time, so it's a nice break between the bobbles, and then at the same time, it brings you back to the wrong side of your work for row 4, so we can keep doing those bobble stitches. Okay, so that's row 3, and then we're going to turn our work and we can start working. We're on the wrong side now, so we can do a row of bobbles if you'd like to. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested in some of these patterns that use the bobble stitches, I'll link them in the description box below. Alright, bye guys.